Okay, so the number 28 question says to find the integral of this expression. These are definitely integration. So integral 4 all over 8x minus 3 all raised to power 4. Okay. Now what we do here is that we try and take out the factors. Sorry, the constants here. Obviously the constant is 4, so I'm going to be taking it out. I'm having 1 all over 8x minus 3 all raised to power 4. Then I'll use u substitution to represent my 8x minus 3. So I'm going to be having 1 all over u raised to power 4, dx. Sorry, there's a dx somewhere here. There is a dx here. Okay, now I said u equal what? U equals 8x minus 3. Okay, if u equals 8x minus 3, I'm going to have to differentiate this expression. That's u with respect to x, so which is going to be du dx. Du dx is going to be just 8. Okay, then I'm going to get an expression for dx, so I can use it to represent this dx. I can plug it in instead of this dx. I can get the expression I get here and put it there as dx. So what's going to be my dx here? Definitely dx, 8 dx is going to be equal to the u, right? So dx equals what? Du all over 8. So I'm going to be just putting du all over 8 in this place. So this expression becomes what? Integral 1 all over u raised to the power 4. Instead of writing the x, I'll put what? Du all over 8. So du all over 8. Remember, there is a 4 out here. Sorry, that 4 that we brought out at the time. So what do we have next? Now I can see there's 1 over 8 here as also a factor. You understand? This 1 over here, I'm going to take it what? I'm going to take it out. So there's already a 4 here. That's 4 all over 8. And 4 over 8 is 1 over 2. So I'm going to put 1 over 2 out here. Then I have 1 all over u raised to the power 4. Then the u, then I can integrate. But before that, I still need to do one last thing. 1 all over u raised to the power 4 means what? U raised to the power negative 4. Okay, so the u. Now, when I integrate, there's a 1 over 2 out here. Integrate this is going to be plus 1 all over the power. So I'm going to be having u raised to the power minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Then all over what? Minus 3. So that's how we carry out the integration. And then the next thing we do here is that can we write this thing to be, okay, so that's going to be 1 all over 2 times 1 times minus 3 times what? U raised to the power minus 3. If you multiply this all out, you should be getting u raised to the power minus 3 all over negative 6. Okay, which can be rewritten as, I'm just going to clean this. We know that this can be written as negative u raised to the power negative 3 all over 6, right? But recall that u was what? 8x minus 3. All right, so it's going to be minus u 8x minus 3 raised to the power minus 3 all over 6. All right, so this how the equation is. So that's the final answer. There are ways we can as well just simplify this, but this is also the answer. One of the solution can also be minus 1 over 6. Okay, 8x minus 3 raised to the power minus 3. Or if you want to write this minus 3 in a way that we want to write, it becomes 1 all over 8x minus 3 raised to the power 3 because of this negative index that is here. But this is also what the answer to that. I think this is in the in the solution, in the options that we have. So yeah, so see you in the next question.